and welcome back to my channel. I am Vanshika, and on this channel you'll find videos related to travel, food, lifestyle and a lot of review of products. So I am back with another review video, and this time I will be reviewing a website named as Body Cupid. So if you're new to this channel, then stick around and subscribe to my channel below and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. This is my first video with specs on, so I am kind of liking my new specs, and these look really good in the video, right? If it does, then do comment down below. And also I am back with another review video. This time I will be reviewing a brand of bath and body luxury products, and its name is Body Cupid. They have their own website as well, and these are available across many websites, and you can also buy from Amazon.in. So as you can see, I have a lot of products with me right here. These are 7 of them. Without wasting any further ado, let's get into the video. But in this video I will be only reviewing 3 of them, and in the next part I will be taking up all other products. So in this one I will be reviewing the perfumes, the fragrances and the face skincare kind of stuff, and in the next video you will see a proper body care stuff. So in this one I have 3 products with me, and all of these products are available on my Amazon.in. I will be linking down all the links in the description box, so do check it out. And these cost very reasonable. The brand packaging is so luxurious, the quality is amazing, and still the price is so reasonable. So I am pretty excited. I have been using these for quite a few days now. I received it like 2 to 3 weeks back, and I am already obsessed with each and every product of them. And also you can find all these products on their website as well. It's named bodycupid.com if I'm not wrong. I will put somewhere here the screenshots and the screen recording of how you can order. And these came in like 1 or 2 days. The delivery is super fast, so you don't have to worry about that. And the first product that I have here is this body mist, and this is how the packaging looks like. So luxurious. It comes in a clear glass bottle. You must be wondering that it's a glass bottle, but no, it's a plastic bottle, so you don't need to worry that it will break down or anything. But as you can see, it looks like glass because it's clear, and it comes with a spray. This is their Body Cupid body mist with mint and tea tree. So why I selected this one? Because I am a great fan of green tea products or tea tree products, because these are so refreshing onto your skin and gives that slight fragrance, because I don't like a lot of strong fragrances. So this one is perfect for me, and this comes in a cap like this and a spray bottle. So you can use this as a fragrance all day, and it stays for almost whole day, and you don't need to even touch up. It has mint and tea tree fragrance to it. Mint as in, you know, the pudina kind of smell that you like, or the chewing gum that you chew. Mint one, that is that. And it has a very lightweight structure, to be very honest. Like, it comes in a spray bottle, but the spray is very strong, like, and I like to use it around my neck area or my arms, and you don't even need to worry that you have to put those in your clothes. So it is so safe. As it is a body mist, you can directly apply on your body and you're good to go. This absorbs super quickly. You will not see any kind of like watery effect, and it smells so refreshing. It feels like you have just came out of bath, and I totally love this one. This particular one retails for 499 rupees, and this comes in so many variants, like so many variants to choose from. I will put here everything, and you can check out the whole range. So every body mist retails between 450 to 499 rupees, and it comes in so many variants like vanilla, lavender, and you also have pink lotus. Then you also have agua flavor, like a ocean kind of fragrance, and mint tree, and a lot of them. I will put somewhere here all the fragrances, and also I will link down all the products so you can buy it. And I totally recommend this product. I will show you a closer look of this one. The packaging is so good, so luxurious packaging. So coming on to the next product, I have one more fragrance for you all. That is their perfume range, and I have this Body Cupid Rose Oud range. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It comes in a cardboard box, very luxurious packaging, rose gold type, and the inside packaging is insane. This is how the bottle looks like, so luxurious. As you can see, it comes with a copper or gold lid, and then it has a spray and clear glass bottle. This is glass bottle, so you have to keep it very safe, but it smells so heavenly. It is like a strong perfume, and if you like to wear such strong fragrances to a party or a date night or an evening outing with your friends, then this is perfect. Everyone will stop and ask you which fragrance are you wearing. The bottle is so nice, and the spray of this one is a little bit lesser than the body mist, because obviously body mist is like you can apply as many times as you want, and this perfume lasts you whole day and you don't need to touch up at all, and you can apply these on your clothes, on your body directly, because it's safe to use, and Body Cupid products are totally safe. The fragrance is like roses, and it's very mild, very like me. I like floral kind of fragrances rather than very strong onto your face. So this is something which is perfect for gifting as well. If you're planning to gift something like this to your best friend's birthday or your parents' anniversary, you can just go for this, and this is the perfect choice. And this product retail for 899 rupees. Again, this comes in so many variants. I have the Rose Oud one, and I literally like it because I like such smells, but it also comes in fragrances like Sweet Passion, and it also comes in fragrances like Sweet Passion and Scandal and many more. There are so many varieties in women range also, and they also have men range, so you can buy that as well. As you can say, the company's name says it is a luxury collection. The packaging is totally luxury, and the packaging is totally luxurious, and I love this product. Like love this product. It's so nice, and you will never run out of this. I think you should buy this. It's worth for money, and it's perfect for gifting your loved ones as well, because it's like, as I said, that it comes in so many variants. You have so many variants to choose from. The delivery is super fast, and also the brand is so reliable, and they have a variety of bath and body products. So if you're planning to gift a hamper kind of thing, you will get the perfect fragrances and perfect products for each and everyone. So that is one plus thing about this brand. Last but not the least, I have from the face wash range this one right here. That is their Deep Clarifying Face Wash. This is how the packaging looks like, very luxurious. I will also show from the other camera the zoom in shot of this particular product. This is 100% vegan, cruelty free from any kind of sulfate, paraben or silicone, which is really great. So this I have already used half bottle, and I'm very impressed with the quality, as the packaging is very luxurious, and it comes in a blue bottle. They have, I think, so this particular face wash comes in 3 variants. That is one for brightening, which has vitamin C, this one for dry and aging skin with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and the third one is the T3 range, which is for anti-acne. So they have products for all skin types, and you can choose accordingly. So I have very dry skin and combination skin, so I hopped on to the vitamin E and hyaluronic acid face wash. This is very foamy, like very foamy. You need a little water with this face wash, and it will lather onto your skin so beautifully and wash it out all the dirt and impurities in one go. As it says, it has hyaluronic acid, which tends to produce more moisture to your skin, so it's very hydrating if you have dry skin, and also it does not clog your pores. And vitamin E helps in balancing the skin and also the pH level of the skin, which is really good. So I have this one, and this retails for 299 rupees, which is so reasonable for a face wash like this, and it comes in a 100 ml bottle. 100 ml, and it is very user friendly. There is no pump or something or heavyweight packaging. This is the minimalistic packaging and I really like it, and it comes in a blue color, so yes. And also it helps to give you that radiance glow as soon as you come out of your shower with this face wash. It will give you that radiance glow, and then you can go in with your toner and your skincare routine as it is, and this will highly provide a glow to your skin, and also makes it very healthy and removes all kind of pollution, dirt or impurities from your skin. So I like to use it with a little water and lather it for around 1 to 2 minutes. I like to massage it because it gives that bubbles and foamy texture. It's a gel based face wash, but it's still, I would say, a semi foaming plus gel face wash, because that is what I need. That is the perfect thing for a dry skin girl, that you need a face wash like this. So I would highly recommend this one, and it also attracts a lot of water because it has hyaluronic acid. And this face wash formulation also has vitamin E to stop pollution, and also bone free radicals, which prevents from anti-aging. So it also helps in the production of collagen into your skin, which ultimately helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines or any kind of anti-aging properties. So this is particularly great for that, and I totally recommend this one. And to get this from Amazon or Bodycupid, I have lot more products from them, like their body butter and the bath and shower gel, body lotion, and a lot more products. So I would be reviewing all of these in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching this one, and if you want to buy anything, then don't hesitate and go for it. These are so reasonable and so good quality, and I would really highly recommend to you guys. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below. And also don't forget that we are about to reach 5,000 subscribers, so make it happen. And also my channel is going to be monetized soon, for which I'm very happy. And thank you guys for all your support and all your lovely comments. I read each and every comment and try to reply to you guys. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I will be posting photos and complete review about these products and other products on my Instagram, so do check that out. So until next time, bye.